So that this element starts to rotate. Now it stands still. That they start to rotate. You need something to animate it, and we can do that by go to the rotation. In the parameters of the transform mesh, go to the rotation. In the front you see these points and toggle to this point and then select vector 3. This means the X, Y and Z axis 3 vectors it has, this transform mesh. We are in a 3D system here in TiXL, and so you have a vector 3. So what I have selected to animate that I seen here the Z axis. So you have to toggle on the front side on these points to the Z point and select their animate value. Now you see such a bracket line here, but this is wrong and we need endless. Select switch to endless. And I show you what you have to put in for parameters in that place. So I delete all of that, what I have just do to show you this step by step, but the parameters what you need is that parameters, and I think the only one what I have switched is this from ramp to endless, and here the amplitude. The amplitude is in this meaning here is the speed. I can show you. If I don't show you because then yes, okay, I show you. I must pin that it stays there, and now if I select this higher, then it rotates faster. If I go back to that what I have before, to this 14, then it's slower. Okay, you understand? That's the speed in this case here. The amplitude can do many different things in the different nodes. I don't like that so much in TiXL. That is very confusing every time for me. Okay, now we stand here, and now you must go to a combination of meshes, but then we do that later, or we do that later. Another one of these elements what we need is on the second line. I must look where we came from. Now we will do this one. Yes, now we will do this one, and we need that one as the next. So it looks very similar, but it is not absolutely similar. Okay. Now we are here, and there you must load another object, 3D OBJ. Do also a load object like we do before with the top space, with the top key. You say OBJ perhaps, and then it shows on the first line load object. Select that, and there with the selector, directory selector, you go here, you toggle here, and then you search for the right file. The file must called or must be this one, displays torus 05/2. First we have the first one, we have the 1, torus 1, and now we are here. And then you see this line goes also down to a transform mesh like before, and also there we make on the z-axis the same what we have before, but the difference is that the amplitude is faster, a faster rotation. This is the difference here. So we have that one, and in the end we put it together so that we came to a full complex thing. But we need more of these elements. Now we have 2 of that elements. Okay, the next one what we need is on the place 3, and when you go back in this whole line, then you see that is that one. And also here it is a load object node in the front, and the same, toggle the top key on your keyboard, OBJ, do that, and over this 3 points here you can activate the selector of your pathfinder for your drive to find the right element, the right file, and the file must called like it here, Spacestation central element bh.obj, and when you select the right one, then it looks like that by draw mesh, but we used it as draw mesh not right here. Now we use also a transform mesh, but in this case we don't animate that in this place. That will animate later together with other things in same. Okay, now we have this draw mesh also, and we need a last element, and this last element we can find here on the line 4 when we go back here, and this is also a load object node. Make the same like before, I show you a last time. Toggle the top key, OBJ, load object, go to the selector where you can select the file through your path, to your file path system on your drive, and I delete that and show you which file you must find. The file must called cross spin for Spacestation 05/8 bh